What's up, your bros? What's up, Pokemon guy here? And wait, sorry if my voice is like has changed because it's very early in the morning. It's only like 7 something, and I need to go to my GP. But just make a video before I go. Just open and pack open. Yeah, Masaya. I bought yesterday. If you've never seen yesterday's opening, check it out. And now let's get straight into it. Sorry if it's gonna be a quick video. Just a box opening. I mean a pack opening. One pack opening. Just the angle. Okay. Go Paladin. Starvaders. I mean delete us instead. Oh, Gold Paladin. Double rare. Another one of this. Seriously? This is my second one. Okay, whatever. Thanks for watching, bros, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Wait. I got off. Anyways. Bye.